I think my overall experience was great. Only issue being, I think, time
Yeah.
management ka,
Hmm.
because I don't really blame it for on myself also, because I knew in what sort of a company I was previously, and that was
Hmm.
a really toxic one. I was in one of the startups, like जो मेरी previous company थी, and I like tried 2 to 3 times to switch, but I think जो issue आ रहा था मेरे को, that
Hmm.
was one, DSA बहुत पूछा जाता है, and I was not getting enough time in order to practice it,
Okay.
right? And so जो मुझे कॉलेज में भी पढ़ाया गया था, so I was in a BSc course, and kind of it was a new course, so it was just getting set up. उस टाइम पे मेरा जो डीएसए वाला जो हमारी क्लासेस होते थे वो गॉट स्किप्ड फॉर द एंटायर क्लास फॉर अस।
Hmm.
तो कॉलेज टाइम पे वी कुडंट रियली स्टडी दैट। तो
Oh.
व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि मुझे स्टार्टिंग से ही स्टार्ट करना था, बट in the previous company I wasn't actually getting the time for it, so it was
Okay.
like very like day and night we had to work very
Hmm.
long hours, so it was like that. तो मैंने 3 टाइम एक्चुअली स्विच करने का ट्राई करा था in
Uh,
2023 itself, in like in the start of the year. But what
huh.
happened was after 2022 we had recession came in, and उस
Oh.
टाइम पे लोग वाग, like the companies were firing more as compared to their hiring processes. Hiring
Hmm.
बहुत जगह freeze भी हो गई थी. They were not
Hmm.
hiring, and I was not getting enough calls. So that was my first case scenario जब हुआ था. Second जब मैंने try करा था, I actually tried at the end of 2023 and in the start of 2024. So वो था उस टाइम पे जब मैंने start करा था. I also reached out to
Hmm.
next job. I had my first call with Richik, and
How
then
did you
I
cover this job and how did you talk to Richik, by the way?
I actually got a couple of. I started like when I first started for a job hunt, I started getting all these different kind of ads, right? Where many people were actually bragging about the fact that they help us target the hidden job market and whatnot, right? There were many people doing that. So मैंने
Hmm.
एक एक दो लोगों का फ्री सेशन हो रहा था उनका जो इनिशियल सेशन एक होता है.
Hmm.
I attended 2 of their free sessions. I did not pay them because I don't know, at that point मेरा मन नहीं था. तो फ्री सेशन अटेंड करने के बाद आई रियलाइज कि कुछ ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है, मतलब आई डोंट नो, उनका ऐसा अथॉरिटेटिव और लाइक ऑथेंटिसिटी दिख नहीं रही थी कि दे कैन रियली हेल्प आउट. दे वर जस्ट टेलिंग थिंग्स वेरी ऑन अ ब्रॉड लेवल कि हाँ हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, तो कुछ ऐसा लगा नहीं था.
Hmm.
तो उसके साथ-साथ when I was searching, I got an like I got an ad somewhere uh, regarding next job itself. So I just applied for it, and I had first consultancy call along with Richik. So I completely explained my scenario. He showed me his tool and whatever they were doing. So then I was like, okay, this could be trusted. Maybe they can really help me out. So then was the time when I actually enrolled in the program. But तब भी 3 महीने कैसे निकल गए, because what happened was my company sent me to Delhi for 2 weeks at that time, and then also I had to frequently travel a lot. I was having different workshops to attend. Some were in Delhi, some were in Mumbai. I went to Mumbai for a week. And like when you're doing a job in a startup and you're also traveling for work purposes,
My
बहुत
God. Hectic.
बिल्कुल ही टाइम नहीं था. एंड
Uh-huh.
what ended up happening was मेरा वो टाइम भी निकल गया. तो those 3 months कैसे निकले I don't know, but it ended anyways. उस टाइम पे ये 1 year वाला सीन नहीं था. It was just 3 months, and Avirul was my account manager. Now Avirul is a person who's very serious and like
I
uh,
know.
very strict kind of a person. So he was like कि ठीक है हो गया आपका प्रोग्राम, and then all that. तो I was like ठीक है, let's see what happens in future. Anyways, in 2024 mid, I think in June July, I made up my mind that I now need to do it. And what happened earlier with next job was कि I couldn't even watch their learning content. So I
Hmm.
didn't really know कि what you guys really do, right? And is there anything that I could get help with? So I reached out to Aviral itself and I told him कि I want to actually learn everything again. And this time I'm very much ready and I will be dedicating my time. He was like, okay, he onboarded me. I think it was in July or August sometime last year. And then I got my 3 months. There was still a lot of challenge because, like I was very much
I
busy
know your
with
schedule.
my previous job and the time constraint. There were a lot of things, but because I had to switch also. But one thing that I liked was how you guys had like made the resume
Hmm.
mastery module and the LinkedIn mastery. So what ended up happening was I was not applying anywhere, honestly. I just optimized my resume and I optimized my LinkedIn as per the modules. Okay. And what ended up happening was everyone was reaching out to me from every place. I was getting
Wow.
emails from Google recruiters, MX recruiters, we saw your LinkedIn
Wow.
profile. We really want you to work for us. I got in mails from different recruiters. One was from Microsoft, one was from Google. But the problem with me was since I had not worked on DSA that much, तो अगर मैं इनके इंटरव्यू देती भी तो आई न्यू कि मैं नहीं क्रैक कर पाती बिकॉज इनके बहुत एक्सटेंसिव इंटरव्यूज होते हैं सो फॉर
Hmm.
दैट पर्पस मैंने इनको होल्ड पे रखा मैंने मना करा बट आई वाज लाइक आई टोल्ड देम कि मे बी इन फ्यूचर आई एम whenever I'll be ready I would reach out to you so they were open to that
Okay.
तो ऑन द साइड मैंने सारा लिंक्डइन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन किया ही था सो व्हाट एंडेड अप हैपनिंग कुछ जो थर्ड पार्टी रिक्रूटर्स होते हैं एंड सम रिक्रूटर्स ऑन द लिंक्डइन इटसेल्फ वर आल्सो रीचिंग मी आउट एंड द ones which were असाइनमेंट बेस्ड इंटरव्यूज वो लोग पहले ही बता देते थे हमारा हायरिंग प्रोसेस ये है तो जो असाइनमेंट बेस्ड होते थे आई
हाँ
स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग देम क्योंकि मुझे पता था जो मैं डेली काम करती हूँ दैट आई विल बी एबल टू क्रैक इट्स जस्ट द डीएसए पार्ट उसको मुझे तैयार Yeah, so how it happened was uh, somewhere around October, somewhere around October or it was in October only. There was this third party, okay, they had
Hmm.
recruited that company in order for hiring their people. So one of their recruiters contacted me and she was like, "Ki, we really like your profile and this is the company that we are hiring for." She explained me everything and I was like, okay, I'm interested and you go ahead with it.
Hmm.
Then within a week's time, so that was the introductory call that happened. She asked me what your expectations are, what your experiences, everything. Then within a week's time, she gave me an assignment that you need to solve this assignment and post
December.
it, we will review it. So I couldn't solve the assignment. So because of I think कुछ तो release चल रही थी previous company में. There was this very urgent project that we were working on. But I told
ये
her
दिसंबर की बात है, राइट? नवंबर दिसंबर की बात है, लास्ट ईयर, राइट?
this was around October only.
अक्टूबर ओनली,
So
अच्छा।
November was about to start and October was about to end. After
हम्म।
1 week's time, there was this 3 hours assignment. So I completed the assignment after 1 week of receiving it, and the assignment was really good. I was really impressed with the assignment they had sent. I also wrote on the email that it's very good assignment, like क्योंकि वो ऐसा था कि आप उसको solve करके कोई भी बंदा जान लेगा कि how the developer is.
हम्म।
तो I sent them that I have completed it and everything. उसके 1 हफ्ते बाद दे रीच्ड आउट टू मी 1 हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते बाद नाउ दिस इज़ नवंबर they reached out to me and told me कि we want to schedule an interview call for you. Your assignment was really impressive. But what ended up happening वो एक उन्होंने face to face interview round वो करा था schedule. That was in गुड़गांव आके देना था. But देयर वाज दिस थिंग कि सडनली मेरे घर पे किसी की तबीयत खराब हो गई थी एंड आई हैड टू रश टू आगरा एट दैट पॉइंट सो आई वाज लाइक मैंने इनको इन्फॉर्म करा कि आई कैन नॉट कम फॉर द इंटरव्यू सो आई थिंक इफ यू गाइस कुड रीशेड्यूल इट प्लीज डू दैट बिकॉज़ ये अचानक से आ गया। आई लेट देम नो व्हाट द एग्ज़ैक्ट सिचुएशन वाज़। तो
Anything happened? How
जो
did you?
रिक्रूटर थी ना मेरी, शी वाज़ वेरी पर्सिस्टेंट रिगार्डिंग मी। शी वाज़
Oh.
कॉन्स्टेंटली रीचिंग आउट। तो आधे टाइम तो मुझे ये लगता था कि यार इसको क्या हो गया है, लाइक व्हाई इज़ शी सो मच आफ्टर मी? तो उसी की वजह से आई थिंक सिंस सिंस शी वाज़ सो पर्सिस्टेंट अबाउट इट, आई थिंक उसी ने आधा मोटिवेशन तो मुझे दे दिया था कि कर लो, ठीक है, देखा
Hmm.
जाएगा कैसे होगा। तो व्हेन
देखा
आई
जाएगा।
केम बैक आफ्टर लाइक 3 वीक्स और सो, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि नो वरीज़, वी विल शेड्यूल एन ऑनलाइन वर्चुअल कॉल। सो देन माय वर्चुअल कॉल वाज़ शेड्यूल्ड। ये बात है दिसंबर स्टार्ट की। तो मेरी वर्चुअल कॉल शेड्यूल हुई आई थिंक मे बी 1st और 2nd ऑफ दिसंबर को, एंड आई गेव द इंटरव्यू राउंड। वो मेरी कॉल हुई थी विद द टेक्निकल डायरेक्टर, सो ही वाज़ अ सीनियर पर्सन। एंड मेरी उसके साथ कॉल हुई। ही टोल्ड मी दैट वी आर रियली इम्प्रेस्ड विद योर प्रोफाइल। सो इनका जो हायरिंग प्रोसेस था दैट वाज़ कि मेरा एक टेक्निकल राउंड होना था, उसके बाद मेरा फाउंडर्स राउंड होना था। बट मेरे असाइनमेंट से he was so impressed that he did not ask me anything technical related. He was like, I have seen your assignment, I know how you work, मुझे समझ में आ गया, I'm really impressed. We will directly have the founders round. Founders round में भी he did not ask me anything technical. He was like asking all the HR questions. जैसे ही उसको लगा कि हाँ it's everything good, I asked for a feedback from him at the end. So what's your feedback? And he was like, we are really, I am really impressed and I'm satisfied with your work, and I might roll out your offer within next 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
And then second day मुझे HR से कॉल आ गया था। I was actually traveling back to my home. I was in the metro, तभी उसका कॉल आता और कहती कि this is how much do you want? And I was like, how can I have this call right now? I need to properly sit down and then negotiate with you. उस
Right.
टाइम मैंने इनको एक रेंज बता दी। तो she gave me the first offer जो
So,
I think my overall experience was great. Only issue being, I think, time
yeah.
management ka,
Hmm.
because I don't really blame it for on myself also, because I knew in what sort of a company I was previously, and that was
Hmm.
a really toxic one. Being in a startup, I think जो नॉर्मल स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं उनमें भी इतना नहीं होता होगा जितना वहाँ पे था। एंड
Hmm.
वहाँ पे आई वाज़ एक्चुअली वर्किंग एज़ अ टीएल, that too in such a minimalistic salary.
हाँ.
So वो जो टाइम था, आई हैड जस्ट स्पेंट एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट आउट। You being, like that person who constantly pushed me all the time. कभी-कभार तो मुझे लगता था कि यार मैं तो गलत कर रही हूँ इसके साथ, मतलब थोड़ा तो मैं कर लूँ। बट आई थिंक वो लाइक इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी बेटर। आई हैड अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस, and the learning part, I had learned a lot, honestly. And learning is okay, but when you learn and see the results simultaneously, I think that was the best part. So when I saw that after updating my LinkedIn, recruiters are reaching out from here and there, I think that was the best part कि वो दिख रहा था कि हाँ यार बस बोलने वाली बात नहीं है, कर दिया तो
Technically
हो
था.
भी रहा है। My last salary was 13. My
Hmm.
first offer was actually 19.5.
Okay, okay.
And then I negotiated with her only after reaching back when my after reaching to my home. I gave her a call again. I told her I want to discuss properly since I was traveling. This is not I feel is what I
Hmm.
actually am okay with. So then what happened ki I gave her a call. She scheduled another one. I negotiated with her and she was like, okay, 20 is the last we can go for. We cannot go above that. I was like, at that time, I was like, ठीक है, let's finalize this. And then what happened was कि that was finalized and I got my first offer against that. But I was like, I can still negotiate with them. So I did not know how to negotiate, but at that time, what ended up happening, I was actually interviewing for another, Bangalore options also, another company.
Hmm.
There was this company Upred.ai, उसमें one of my friends work. So I asked him, तो उसका भी इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हो गया था और उसमें भी I had passed. So वहां से मुझे 30 का ऑफर आ गया था, 30
Oh, why
LPA।
didn't you go for that then? What gave you the confidence to wait
कि
here?
मुझे बैंगलोर नहीं जाना था, दैट वाज माय मेजर कंसर्न कि घर के पास ही रहना चाहती थी। आई
Okay.
आस्क्ड देम टू इंक्रीज इट अप टू 35, देन आई वाज रेडी टू
वहाँ
शिफ्ट
का
बैंगलोर।
कॉस्ट मतलब वहाँ का लिविंग कॉस्ट भी थोड़ा हाई है
हाँ,
कंपेयर टू
लिविंग
दिल्ली।
कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा है
तो
बट
ऐसे सेम हो जाता है इफ यू सी दैट वे।
राइट। सो आई रीच्ड आउट टू देम, मैंने उनके एचआर को पूछा रेज इट टू 35, आई एम रेडी टू मूव देयर। बट मेरा एक लोकेशन कंस्ट्रेंट था थोड़ा, घर के पास जितना हो पाए उतना। तो
ओके।
दे वर लाइक 30 से ऊपर का जो तो हमारा बजट भी नहीं है।
हम्म।
तो फिर आई वाज लाइक कि ओके देन इट्स फाइन। व्हाट आई डिड इंस्टेड वाज मैंने वो वाला ऑफर इन लोगों को दिखाया कि दिस इज माय फाइनल ऑफर एंड देन
वाओ,
आई हैव ऑलरेडी
वेरी
रिसीव्ड
वेरी वेरी गुड मूव बाय द वे।
from this Bangalore company, but I have a location I really
हम्म।
want to work for you guys, and I really like your culture and everything. तो फिर they then reconsidered me and their offer. Then they reached, like the Canadian team से उन लोगों ने बात करके then they gave me the final offer and they were
हम्म।
like अब इससे ऊपर नहीं बढ़ सकते, इसमें भी we cannot give you the relocation bonus and
हम्म।
आपको accommodation भी हम नहीं दे पाएंगे। So I was like it's okay मत दो, मैं I'm okay and then फिर सारी चीजें फाइनल हो
But
गई।
that is again another boost that happened maybe 2024, 25 बोल लो मतलब there's new year and there is something new beginnings happen. At the same time I knew that for the fact उस time पे we were not in touch, आप थोड़ा सा process से दूर थे,
Yes,
that's the reason you
yes.
handled. So first of all, kudos to your skill set also, because if you would have spoken
I'll,
announcement
I'll
भी.
tell you one more thing. I'll tell you when I resigned in my previous company, the company was like, okay, how much you're getting there. My my manager was my CTO. Okay,
Oh,
so the
okay.
CTO was like, we really want to retain you. We don't want you to go, and tell us what do you want, and we'll give you that. तो आई वाज लाइक कि सर देखो मुझे वहाँ पे 25 का मैं नेगोशिएशन कर रही हूँ, अभी तो वो लोग 22 पे माने हैं, आप बताओ आप कितना दे सकते हो। After 2 days, he was like, okay, we are ready to match it. And he was like,
Wow.
we are ready to match it. We are also ready to give you free accommodation and no problem. तुम हमारे फ्लैट में रहो जो मतलब they had booked a flat for themselves. And he was like, तुम उस फ्लैट में रहो, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं देना अलग से. And now you tell us if you are ready to stay or you're ready to go. बट मेरा एक वो था कि 4 साल एक ही कंपनी में एक स्टार्टअप में एंड at the point that it has become so toxic that
Pregnant
new
and
people
toxic.
that were coming in were doing the politics against the older ones,
Hmm.
right? तो वो बहुत बहुत पॉलिटिकल, बहुत ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा मेंटली ड्रेनिंग हो गया था वहां पे एंड आई वाज
That
नॉट अप
is.
फॉर इट। मेरा डेली मोटिवेशन ऑफिस जाने का भी निकल गया था। आई
Mm-hmm.
वाज लाइक कि आई विल बी गोइंग दिस टाइम एंड अगर आप वापस से आने
There's no stopping back.
हाँ
There's no turning back, right?
या एग्जैक्टली आई वाज
Good
लाइक
call,
अगर
you know.
मन करा तो मैं आ जाऊंगी बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांट टू गो इन अ वे कि रिलेशनशिप्स खराब हो। कौन कब काम
Correct.
करे यू डोंट नो, राइट?
Yeah,
आई वाज़ लाइक
exactly.
ठीक है मेरा आगे मन करेगा आई विल कम बैक बट अभी तो आई वुड लाइक टू गो। एंड तक आते-आते द सीईओ एंड द प्रेज़िडेंट एंड द सीटीओ वर वेरी सैड अबाउट माय गोइंग। बट आई वाज़ लाइक मैं डिटरमाइंड थी कि नहीं यार अब तो निकल ही जाते हैं, अच्छा मिल रहा है तो इट्स
At least you know your